Assalamu alaikum. The story of this brother is amazing. 20 years ago, he went for Hajj. He had a dream in Masjid al-Khayf in Mina. He searched for an interpreter. They led him to the scholars. One of the scholars was Sheikh Muhammad al-Rumi. So when Sheikh Muhammad al-Rumi heard the dream of this brother, he interpreted it by telling him that one day you will make tawaf of the Kaaba all alone, meaning the circumambulation of the house of Allah all alone. So at that time he said, how is that possible? How can the whole of the tawaf stop just for me? But anyway, time passed. Fast forward it, and this interpretation was done in the presence of so many scholars and so many others. They all heard it. And fast forward it, what happened? When COVID struck, Ramadan came in, a day came when this man was in the haram and there was nobody making tawaf besides him. Subhanallah. One of his friends called Sheikh Ahmed Al-Khudair has actually narrated this and said, this is a friend of mine and this is what happened to him. He saw this dream we know about, and here he is 20 years later. The dream has come true. Him and just him making tawaf of the Kaaba all alone. La ilaha illallah.